welcoming party for our Pine Ridge. Turkey's coming to say what's up. What's up, guys? Look at these things. Got a greeting committee here at the Pine Ridge Crystals. Get to pet a turkey. How many times you go to a crystal mine and you're met by 3 turkeys, and let alone one that actually likes to be pet? Hi, sweetie. You're a big bird. Yes, you are. So pretty. Cool stuff, guys. Turkey's like, what the heck?
My goodness.
This turkey's been following us around.
Yeah.
There's 2 other ones. And this one just loves pets. How many crystal mines you go to and there's a turkey waiting for love? Good way to start the day. Pine Ridge Crystals, guys.